All right, welcome back. Well, I'm not sure what's happened here, but that half of the field, it's now coming up. Well, this one we just finished harvesting it last month. So if we look it up over here, okay, we are in the process where we can plant. So what I'm going to do, obviously, is bring a planter over here and plant canola on this half and see what happens. Also, we've got a lot of pig food to sell, so we are going to do that as well in this episode. I haven't yet cut the grass. We're not desperately in need of grass yet, so we're okay for that for now anyway. I think I'm going to have to figure out a different way to let's see if I do this, does that solve out my problem? Kind of. But I still think I need to figure out a different way to deal with the combine and the header. So I'm just going to leave you here for now. Okay, don't need to worry about you. Let's take you back home and then find out where our pig food is, load that up and find out where we can sell it, because as you can see, I'm $177,000 in the negative, and I have no idea why I would be in that much negativity as far as my finances are concerned. I haven't done anything. I haven't leased anything. It cannot be that that's my cost to do business. I can't imagine that would be, hey, that's your cost of surviving type of thing. At least I hope that's not my cost, because if that's my cost, okay, let's not do that. Let's do it the other way. If that's my cost to do business, $170,000 in negative, I'm in trouble. So we'll put the canola here because we get oil out of it and we get good price for oil. What? Is that all it does? Come on. We've reached the maximum by the looks of it. We'll go and store it, and then no, we're not going to sell you, don't worry, because canola, after all, it is a good provider for us as far as getting money for oil is concerned. So we'll store it. I mean, not that it's a humongous amount, but we'll store it anyway. Come on, that's slow. Okay, now let's go find out where our pig food is. We got the flour, which we got a heap of that as well, so I just hope that I'm not going to figure out now, I'm going to do this, that I needed it. See, this is, wow, we got 2 million liters of flour. Okay, something's, I hope it doesn't mean that somewhere here is where I unload the pig food. No. Is it, can I go inside? No. So we got pig food, 179,000 liters. Oh, it's water that we got that much. Okay. I was gonna say, wow, how can we have so much flour? We didn't put that much. Okay, so this is where we dump things. Okay, Does that mean that this, I can go in here? Okay, I have no idea where we're gonna get our I don't know why I'm doing this, because I don't think it actually. How are we gonna unload the pig food from here? Am I supposed to put something in here to be able to unload? I don't know. It's going to be very, very, very interesting. And I think I've just found myself in the same position again, where it keeps getting stuck, and I think I need to get rid of the super strength mod that's by itself. I'm not sure if that's the one to blame. Okay, that's definitely not it. Okay, how do we get rid of, we take the pig food out of there? So we got pig food galore, we got flour. Does the pig food come in pallets as well? Which is the, how's the price of flour right now? Where are we? So I got pig food, $750,000. Flour. I don't know. There is only one thing that I can see that it kind of requires. There is a way to unload stuff, and that's this thing over here. So would that mean that the pig food would spawn here as well? We'll just bring, where is my other truck? Ah, come on, this one. We'll go and pick up all the flour and see if that is where we get all our we get the pig food coming through there as well. I should bring a tractor and set up, or let this car pass, because we want to be able to cross on the other lane, so we get ourselves a bit more of a and still we're gonna smash into this thing. It looks like this is the only way we're gonna be able to do it. We're also going to need to start selling the letters. Okay, let's have a look. Is this going to mean that we're going to keep getting... We're going to get flowers and pig feed as well? Or not? Okay, so, as soon as I get out. Okay, it doesn't have to be on, that's fine. And as it, oh no, we fixed that bit. How much is our letters at the moment? Are we losing big time on letters? Oh yes, we're losing almost $100,000. But I still have to, I don't know, I still have to do something about it, because we can't keep ignoring it, type of thing. So got the electric truck for this. And this is its maximum capacity. So Autoload is good, but obviously we're not getting the humongous capacity that I was able to get before. Should I just flop it in here? Let's see what happens when which side is it unloading? Okay, I thought so. Can I change the unload side? Stop, no, that's fine. Oh, okay. Control type. Unloading left. So that's you. Right, that's fine. So that way I can put it in here. Okay, we'll wait for it to do this and then we'll do that. And boom, done. Now this is going to become an issue now. And the issue is going to be like previous times where we have, we're going to have too much production. And all of a sudden, like in the first series that I competed against Daggerwin, I'm going to find myself in a position where we have too much production. And yeah, we're going to be in trouble. Ah, oh, come on. How can you not find your way there? Set destination. Ah, well, you can stay there like that. That's fine. Let's go and see what's going to happen with this. Are we getting the pig food through here? We might even have to. Use the 2 trucks to actually. Well, it's going to be so slow. So far we're just doing. But I've got like 200, almost 200,000 liters of flour. So it's going to take forever if I have to do this. Okay, we'll just leave you there to it. And we'll park you over here and get the mower. At least we'll get something going while we're waiting for the mower to... waiting for the flower to spawn. Okay. We'll park you over here like this. And I'm also going to need to get the planter and actually go and put canola on that field. So we got ourselves a bit of a job to do in this month of September. So okay. Okay. Let's hope that it's actually going to do the work. I think last time I tried to use worker, it kind of complained. Oh, I told you. Okay. Okay, you know what? You can stay there for now. And, oh, it is fine. I'm going to still try this trailer once more. And if it doesn't work, I'm just going to sell this trailer. And that is to use the auto load for the smaller bits like these things over here. So you got B. No, it doesn't work. So we'll get rid of it. Actually, before I go any further, let's just... It's just bales. Which we don't really need at the moment. So we'll get the planter. If I actually remember where I... Oh, it's right here. Now, I'm not quite sure what's going to do. Is he going to go and plant over the whole lot? Canola. So we'll go and set him up. If he does the whole lot all over again, well, it should be the third time that I'll be planting the whole field, and I got to harvest half of it. Okay, so let's have a look. Well, we'll let him do his thing. We don't need to be here. We need to be in this particular truck over here. Now I just realized that with the other, with my timber production, I get, what was I going to say? I get wood chips, meaning, this is going to be so painful, so slow. If this is how it's going to go, I'm just going to have to set it up to auto sell. Okay, so... come off. And we'll use this truck as well. We'll go this way and we'll do exactly the same turn as what we had with the other truck. Now flour is, I was pretty sure that it wasn't at its best price, right? So you got too much in stock. 383, 489, so definitely not selling it now. I'm just curious to see if I get any pig food. Oh, this is not going to be fun. What side is it unloading on? So we'll go with left. Ah, what a stupid thing to do. I don't know why I didn't think about it, but I didn't. I thought, I'm going to cheat the system. I'm not comprehending that, hey, you're right there. It's going to just load back up. So all of a sudden, dealing with pallets is going to be not an issue per se, but it's going to have to be a challenge, because I'm going to have to store them somewhere, and I'm going to have a massive storage for them at the rate we're going, or just bite the bullet type of thing and just auto sell. So what do I have? Well, this is doing that. What do I have as far as silos? I was pretty sure that I had some bales. No, I don't want bales. Bales and pallets, 450 pieces. I can do with this one. but I don't have money at the moment. But there is definitely a thing to deal with. So where is my factory? So I've got a little bit of canola. So I've got 53,000 liters of, where are we? So we've got the turbine, the turbine going straight through the truck, not a problem. So that's a bit of a not so good upper scenario. So if we are looking at Buffalo, price is at 24,000, and the oil, I'm not quite sure that this is the best time to sell. The best time to sell would be to sell the pig feed. How do I get the pig feed out of there? Wouldn't have a clue. It looks like more flour has spawned. So we're still $50,000 in the arrears type of thing. You know, this is becoming a bit of a pain because I need to get rid of the pig feed, not keep getting more and more and more flour. Is there something in the settings that I've missed out on? Where are we? Pig feed. No, I don't get a choice. It's definitely not a choice for me to do anything. And I've got stones that are a humongous amount. Like, in reality, it looks like I should be able to go through and... Am I missing something? Am I meant to connect something here? You'll see that I may need to connect something there. Oh, that's not what I want. Maybe some sort of a conveyor belt. You know what? Maybe what I should do is come here. I think it's about 180,000. See if it tells me anything. It's okay, don't worry about the money. Wait, where are you going? Okay, so definitely I don't have. So I definitely don't have anything to do with belt systems. That's... These ones, they don't even deal with that. Well, maybe this one does. This one does. I don't have the money to deal with it anyway, so I don't know what the scenario would be here. Okay, what I'll do is I'll set it up to sell. We lose some money, but I don't want to spend the whole. Okay, so so does that mean that they're all selling now? Yes, they are. Okay, so I'm going to be selling my stones, my chaff, and my pig food. So I'm just curious to see how much money. Oh, not here. Here. Oh, where are we? Stone, chaff. So chaff is value $26,000. So that's nothing. No. Stones. So 50,000, say, between the two. But so I should get about $20,000 out of all of these if things work out as I think they should. Minus the $56,000 that we are. See, we're losing so much money. We're back to $50-something thousand in debt. And I have no idea why that's going on like that. And how is it that I'm losing so much money? Okay, you can stay there. Okay, we've got some stuff here, but we don't need to worry about that. We don't need to worry about you. I don't know what I'm going to do about this. No. This is the one that I need to kind of get into and actually take care of everything myself. Okay, let's have a look. Am I going to get proper lines if I go with that? Okay, so we'll let him do this. Wow, that's slow. Okay, this is a small tractor, but I didn't realize that it would be this slow. Wow. That is ridiculously slow. Okay, you know what? Let's bring a bigger tractor here. Again, this is what I was talking about as far as dealing with getting wood chips. I'm kind of getting lost here. I'm trying to think of 10 things at the same time. Now, the only thing that I cannot figure out, so I've got the, hang on, don't I have the case on that planter on cedar? That is my biggest tractor, so surely if that can't handle it, this definitely will not be able to handle it. Yes, no. Go back home. We're going to be doing a lot of this by the looks of it. Set destination. There you go. There. And I thought that that's what's going to do. Why would you do the right thing, hey? Okay, so we are massively, like, would be $200,000. Is what's costing me so much? I have to have a look. Okay, that's not what I wanted to do, but anyway. So what's my expense? constructions. So we are in September now. Wow, production cost is $90-something thousand. Come on, production cost 268 in the month of October. So I'm paying $268,000 a day, and I'm selling nothing at the moment. The buffalo milk is almost non-existent as far as getting buffalo milk. This is such a low capacity. Okay, let's go back to my case. Well, it would be nice if I actually paid attention to my cruise control speed setting. That's why it was so slow. Anyway, I think wow, this would be my second episode where we're kind of all over the place. And that's not wanting it to be like that. It's just the way it worked out. Yeah, unbelievable. So anyway, have a wonderful day wherever you are around the world. God bless you and your family, and I'll see you the next one. Bye-bye.